Avocados have a range of health benefits, including improving digestion, decreasing the risk of depression, and protecting against cancer. Also known as an alligator pear or butterfruit, avocados are actually a type of berry. They grow in warm climates. Avocados provide a substantial amount of monounsaturated fatty acids and are rich in many vitamins and minerals. Incorporating them into a varied healthy diet can provide a number of benefits. Here are 9 reasons why avocados can contribute to a healthy diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Avocados are a source of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. It also provides lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados contain high levels of healthy, beneficial fats, which can help a person feel full or trusted source between meals. Eating fat slows the breakdown of carbohydrates, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable. 2. Healthy for the heart. In every 100 grams of avocado, there are 76 milligrams trusted source of a natural plant sterol called beta-sitosterol. Regularly consuming beta-sitosterol and other plant sterols may help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which are important for heart health. 3. Great for vision. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin trusted source, 2 phytochemicals present in eye tissue. They provide antioxidant protection to help minimize damage, including from UV light. The monounsaturated fatty acids in avocados also support the absorption of other beneficial, fat-soluble antioxidants, such as beta-carotene. As a result, adding avocados to the diet may help reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. 4. May help prevent osteoporosis. Half an avocado provides approximately 18% trusted source of the daily value of vitamin K. This nutrient is often overlooked, but is essential for bone health. Taking in enough vitamin K can support bone health by increasing calcium absorption and reducing the urinary excretion of calcium. 5. Components may prevent cancer. Studies have not yet assessed a direct link between avocado consumption and a reduction in cancer risk. However, avocados do contain compounds that may help prevent the onset of some cancers. Research trusted source has associated an optimal intake of folate with a reduced risk of developing colon, stomach, pancreatic, and cervical cancers. However, the mechanism behind this association remains unclear. Half of an avocado contains roughly 59 mg trusted source of folate, 15% of the daily value. Avocados also contain high levels of phytochemicals and carotenoids, which may have anti-cancer properties. Studies trusted source have shown that carotenoids specifically may protect against cancer progression. 6. Supporting fetal health. Folate is important for a healthy pregnancy. Adequate intake reduces the risk of miscarriage and neural tube abnormalities. Consume at least 600 micrograms, mg trusted source of folate per day when pregnant. One avocado may contain as much as 160 mg trusted source. Avocados also contain fatty acids that are integral trusted source to a healthy diet and fetal development. 7. Reducing depression risk. Avocados are a good source of folate trusted source, which plays an important role in overall dietary health. Studies have also found links between low folate levels and depression. Folate helps prevent the buildup of homocysteine, a substance that can impair circulation and delivery of nutrients to the brain. Reviews of past research trusted source have linked excess homocysteine with cognitive dysfunction, depression, and the production of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. 8. Improving digestion. Avocados are high in fiber, containing approximately 6 to 7 trusted source per half fruit. Eating foods with natural fiber can help prevent constipation, maintain digestive tract health, and lower the risk of colon cancer. 9. Natural detoxification. Adequate fiber promotes regular bowel movements, which are crucial for the excretion of toxins through the bile and stool. Studies trusted source have shown that dietary fiber also promotes good gut health and microbial diversity. This helps the body maintain a healthy bacterial balance. This can reduce inflammation and aggravation of the digestive tract. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to stay healthy, subscribe my channel and watch this video.